We recommend everyone to know Black Friday 2020 about Karcher FC5 Cordless Hard Floor Cleaner. Black Friday 2020 is celebrated on November 27th. On the day of the event, you will find products from all outstanding categories, and now Amazon Black Friday are started. Black Friday 2020 is an annual event just for well known that it is shopping time on. And this year Amazon have selected many products for the shoppers from small businesses and top brands. Beat the holiday hustle and shop for everyone on your list during Black Friday 2020. Happy everyone on Black Friday 2020. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. If you want to get highlight features and full review of Karcher FC5 Cordless Hard Floor Cleaner, please visit the link in YouTube description below. Introduce overview, summary or highlight features. The most effective hard floor cleaner has gone cordless. With up to 20 minutes of runtime, now you can have a high quality clean and brilliant shine with the ease of cordless convenience in one easy step. Unlike most hard floor cleaners, the Karcher FC5's microfiber rollers make constant, direct contact with your floors, giving them a deep clean and brilliant shine. Clean water is constantly applied to the front of the rollers while dirt and light debris is removed from the back of the rollers into a separate wastewater tank, leaving your floors dry in just 2 minutes. Deep cleaning your floors has never been so easy. And if you do not understand, not sure or have questions, you can leave questions in the comments box. In addition, if you think our channel that's something useful for you, please press to subscribe us and press the bell. Look for all press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.